Hi guys, today we are going to create another product demo for another new feature of Brainy AI agent, which is connecting to your Google Sheets. So what you can do after that, you can actually export any information from the conversation directly to your Google Sheets. For example, you can collecting the leads or collecting user inquiry, including their email address. Depends on your requirements. So let's do it. As usual, you need to log into your Brainy Bear account. If you don't have one, create one for free. Let's add a new agent. I will call it Sheets Manager, for example. And as usual, I will leave everything else as default. So let's create the AI agent. So once done, click here to manage your AI agents. So here at your Sheet Manager, click on the Tools button. So here you will see some built-in tools for your Sheets Manager. And you will need to connect to your Google Sheets. Click on the Connect button. And you will need to choose one of your Google account. So I will choose Brainy Bear account. So here you need to grant some permission for the Brainy Bear to access your Google Sheets. That's it. Click continue. So now you see your AI agent is now connected to Google Sheets and it can automatically update the sheets when a specific event occur. So here is an example of your instruction template for capture leads and update Google Sheets, for example. So whenever a lead is captured, create or update Google Sheets with file name, Brainy Bear leads with a date format for that day. All right. For example, information you need to capture, you can just define the header. So what kind of information you want to capture? For example, the name, email address, contact number, or the lead summary here. So here I'm going to just copy the instruction example here. I will close the pop-up, go to the AI agents, click on the edit button. So here everything else remains the same. So for this demo purpose, I will just simply copy and paste for the instruction example. And next, update your AI agent. Done. All right. Now you can click on the test button. So let's test your Sheets Manager. I'm interested to purchase your enterprise plan. Can you contact me? Okay, I need to provide my name, PY, my email address, uxneef.com. My contact number, I will just give some random number. That's it. Okay, it seems like the agent has already captured the information, but I'm not sure whether it's in my drive already. Yes, you see, there's a Brainy Bear leads for today's date. So which means every day you will receive a different one. So if you don't want to actually having too many sheets created, you can just remove the date number. It's up to you. So you say my name here, my email here, my contact. The lead somebody is interested in purchasing the enterprise plan. Very good. So what else? I found a bug. How can I contact you? That's it. It seems like it doesn't handle the bug report as a lead. So let's try something else. Like I am interested. Please contact me. Okay. My name is PY. Okay, you say it already captured the leads. let's see if my Google Drive updated. Oh yeah, so it's kind of instantly updated to my Google Sheets. So it depends of your company. Some company have some CRM, some company use HubSpot, some small and medium company, they don't use CRM, they just simply save everything into their Google Drive. So that's pretty much it about the Google Sheets. But last but not least, other than the connecting to your Google Drive, there's actually more powerful tools where you can use, which is a custom tools here. So what is custom tools? For example, if you have your internal CRM, be it HubSpot, be it whatever CRM platform you're using, you can actually create an API tools to actually ship all this customer information. Instead of sending it to Google Sheets, you can actually sending it to your backend. For example, you can create a new tools called to HubSpot, for example, or let's be CRM. So you need an API endpoint. For example, just this is just an example. This is just an example of get endpoint. It's a public endpoint. So it could be like authenticate using API key or basic authentication or bearer token. So as long as you have your API endpoint and you have a credential, and you can actually pass any parameter here. For example, parameter like a username, for example, customer name, or you can actually add more like a customer email, for example. You can test the connection. So once the connection is successfully, you can save the tools, right? So now you can actually have a post lead to CRM tool. And when you go to manage your tools, you see this custom tools. So how to use these custom tools actually is very simple and straightforward. Instead of sending the CRM to Google's spreadsheet, you can actually send the lead information using post lead to CRM function. So the AI is actually smart enough to capture the name and email and actually send it to your CRM platform by using the API and the credential you have set for this function. So I hope you find this product demo useful. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy the demo. See you next time.